Hello, I am Charlie Bergin on the night watch at the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center in New York. Today is December 9th at 0730 GMT. We're presently looking at the North Atlantic Basin for the latest heavy weather and tropical systems in the region. We can see quite vividly on this infrared satellite view an area of low pressure over the central part of the basin indicated by these bright colors showing the cloud tops. Let's take a closer look at that system. We can see that the NHC was monitoring the system for possible tropical development. However, the system is moving towards the north over cooler waters and is now not expected to become tropical in nature. It's expected to remain extratropical. Now we can examine this system and its expected track for the next few days, considering this is the major weather maker across the region for the next several days. We can see here on the map, we have wind barbs showing the wind speed and direction. We have isobars, which are the solid black lines showing the pressure and potentially the strength of the system if they're tightly packed. We can also see significant wave height, which is the shaded colored regions on the map. The legend for the significant wave height is on the right side of your screen, with the red, brighter colors indicating higher waves. We can see as we move forward in time towards the 10th of December, the system is expected to move to the north-northeast and continue to strengthen. There's storm force winds associated with the system and an area of very high seas on the southern quadrant of the system. The system continues to move off to the north-northeast rather slowly, and that area of very high seas also continues to propagate towards the north. We can see a new area of low pressure developing to the west, which is going to swing to the east and rotate cyclonically around our larger storm system that we're monitoring. As we move through the 11th of December at 12Z, that new low pressure system has begun to move towards the east, and our large storm system has hardly moved. It remains rather stationary across the region, with a large area of high pressure off to its north, blocking any northward progress. As we move forward towards the 12th of December at 12Z, the system remains rather stationary, and we can still see this system generating very high seas around the system. We can see areas in the Baltic Sea, North Sea, and Mediterranean, lighter weather expected for the next several days in those regions. Of note, there is a brief period of very rough seas expected on the western coast of Corsica and Sardinia on the 11th of December. Otherwise, these areas remain relatively benign in nature and not expected to see any heavy weather concerns for the next several days. Same can go for the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn to receive all the latest weather and routing news. Once again, this is Charlie Bergin from the Fleetweather Ocean Routing Center. Stay connected and safe.